From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the height of the depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of tower. According this, we draw the diagram. According question, we draw first a horizontal line. On one side, the 7-meter building we have, and on the opposite side we have a cable tower, and we have to find the height of cable tower. So we will suppose here height of cable tower is h. Now the angles are given to you from the top of a 7-meter high building. Look here, from the top of the 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of the cable tower. So this angle is given to you. This is 60 degree, and angle of depression means downward of its foot means here. This is given to you 45 degree, and we have to find the height of cable tower. Here we will suppose first suppose height of tower equal to h meter. Here this BC equal to 7 meter. So AB will be equal to h minus 7 and meter. Now first of all we take triangle. Look here, this 45, so this angle will be also 45, alternate angle. Now we take triangle EDC. In this triangle, perpendicular equal to 7 meter, base equal to x. Now we can write tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is here 45 degree, perpendicular is 7 meter and base is x meter. So tan 45 is here 1 equal to 7 upon x. So x equal to 7 we get. Always this equation 1. Now we take triangle. In triangle A, B and E. Here this B angle is 90 degree. Here also perpendicular is AB, and AB already we find h minus 7 meter, and the base is EB, and EB is equal to DC, and that is equal to x. So we can write here tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Theta is here 60 degree, and the perpendicular is h minus 7. Base is here x. Tan 60 we know already, that is root 3 h minus 7 upon x. Cross product we do, root 3 x equal to h minus 7. Here we put x equal to 7. So place of x if we put 7, we get here 7 root 3 equal to h minus 7. This 7 we transfer, 7 root 3 plus 7 equal to h. This implies h equal to 7, we take common, root 3 plus 1 we have. Now root 3 value we can put here, 1.732 plus 1. So we have here this h equal to 7 into 2.732 meter, and this is equal to, so this we get here 19.124. So we can write here height of tower equal to 19.124 meter. All understand, this is a very simple solution. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse, from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. According these, we draw first a diagram and then we do. Look here, we draw first, this is a horizontal line, and here two shapes are at one shape is at B, and second shape is 8 point C. Okay, and this distance we suppose here x, and this distance we suppose y. Here is DA is a lighthouse, and height of lighthouse is given to us, that is 75 meter. Now two ships, angle is 30 degree and 45 degree. The angle this will be 45 degree, and this is a 30 degree. Okay, here angle of depressions are given to you. Depression, this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 45 degree. So these are alternate angles, so this will be equal 45 degree, this will be 45 equal 30 degree, 30 degrees are equal. Now first of all we can write here this triangle DAB. So in triangle DAB, okay, this is equal to here perpendicular is 75 meter and base equal to x meter. So tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, and theta is here 45 degree, and tan 45 equal to perpendicular is 75 and base is x. So tan 45 is 1, so 1 equal to 75 upon x we have, this implies x equal to 75 meter. This is first equation. Angle in triangle DAC, here perpendicular is 75 meter and base is here AC, and this is equal to x plus y. Now tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. Here tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Perpendicular is here 75 and base is x plus y. We do cross product, so x plus y equal to 75 root 3 we get. Now here put x equal to 75. So place of x we put 75 equal to 75 root 3. Now y equal to 75 root 3 and minus 75. So y will be equal to 75 is common, root 3 minus 1, 75, and root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. So look here, this y will be equal to 75 into 0.732, and this we multiply. So we get here 54.90 meter. So look here, we have to find here y only, distance between two ships we have to find. So answer distance between two ships equal to 54.90 meter. All of you understand, this is a very simple solution. A straight highway leads to the foot of tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point. Look here this tower is AB. AB is a tower and height of tower is suppose here h. Now here this car is at D point, and after 6 seconds the car reached to C point. Now angle of depressions are given to us, and the car at a angle of depression is 30 degree. First this angle of depression is 30 degree, and after 6 seconds the car make this angle is 60 degree. So look here, the speed of car is suppose x meter per second, time equal to look here 6 seconds. So the distance look here, distance CD will be equal to distance equal to speed into time. Okay, so speed is here x and time is here 6, so we get here 6x. So distance this 6 CD is 6x, and we take the time from C to B is equal to t second. Okay, so here the distance BC will be also x into t, means we have tx meter. So this distance is tx. Now we take triangle. In triangle ABC, here perpendicular is here h and base is tx. So tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan this 30 degree, so this also 30 degree. 60 degree means 60 degree alternate angle. So here we have tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular is h and base is tx, and this tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equal to h upon tx. So this implies h equal to root 3 tx. This is equation 1. And same as it is we will have in triangle ABD. Here this perpendicular is here h, and base equal to BD, and that is tx plus 6x. Now tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Here theta is equal to 30 degree. You can check 30 degree. Perpendicular is here h and base is tx plus 6x. Tan 30 is we know already 1 upon root 3. And place of h we can put this value. Place of h we put root 3 tx upon tx plus 6x. Now we do cross product. Look here, we get tx plus 6x equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3tx. This all we can divide by x. So we equal t plus 6 equal to 3t. Okay, t we transfer, we get 6 equal to 2t. So this implies t equal to 3. Means the time taken by car from C to B equal to 3 seconds. All you understand, this is a very simple solution.